Good morning, Year 3. In today's maths session, we're going to carry on with our money topic, and we are going to be looking at counting up money in pounds, using pound coins and using pence, and also adding notes as well. Okay, so I hope you're finding the money work okay. Now, the first thing we need to remember when we're counting money is that we always need to start by counting the coin or the note with the largest value first, because it makes it much easier. So here I'm going to look at the coins that I've got, and I'm going to look for the biggest coin first. That I can see that I've got a £2 coin. Okay, so that's the biggest amount of money that I've got there. So I'm going to count my £2 coin. And then I've got another £2 coin to make £4. And I've got no more £2 coins. So next I'm going to add the £1 coin to make £5. The next £1 coin to make £6. And then the next £1 coin to make £7. Okay, so I've got two £2 and three £1 to make £7. Next, I haven't got any more pound or £2 coins, but I have got 50p. In fact, I've got two 50p's. Now, when I add two 50p's, that gives me 100p, doesn't it? What's 100p the same as? That's right, 100p is the same as a pound, isn't it? So I can make another pound there with the two 50p's. So that gives me £8 altogether. And then finally, I've got one 20p, so that gives me £8 and 20p. Okay, so that can be written as £8 and 20p. So notice when I write that, I've got my pound coin at the start. So when you write pounds, you always start with your pound coin and then the amount after it. And then when you're writing the pence, you put the amount that you've got, the amount of pennies that you've got, and then the p after it. So when we're doing pounds, the pound sign goes at the front. When we're writing pence, the p sign goes at the end. Okay? Right, let's look at another one. So now we've got some notes as well. So I'm going to do the same as I just did on the previous slide. I'm going to count the largest note or coin first. So I can see I've got a £10 note. Looky miss. So then I've got £10 and then another note which is £5. And I know that 10 add 5 is 15. So £10 add £5 gives me £15. Brilliant. Next I've got a £1 coin. So like £15 add £1 gives me £16. It's just the same as 15 add 1. Okay, so that's £16 and then I've got a 50p and a 2p. So I've got 50p add 2p gives me 52p. So I've got £16 and 52p. Okay, so remember I've got my pound sign for my £16 and then 52p. Okay, so today we're writing the pounds, the word and then the amount of pence that we've got as well. Okay, let's do one final example. So I'm going to start by counting the coin or the note with the largest value first. So who can spot on this slide what is the coin or note with the largest value? That's right, it's the £10 note. So I'm going to add the two £10 notes together first of all. Okay? So £10 add £10 gives me £20. It's the same as 10 add 10, isn't it? Next, I'm going to look for the next largest amount. Now, I haven't got any more notes, so I don't need to add those, but I have got a £2 coin. So I've got 10 add 10 and 2, which is 22. Then I've got another £1 coin, so 22 add 1 is 23, so £22 add £1 is £23. Now, did you spot there the 50p's? Now I've got three 50p's. Now we talked about how two 50p's make £1 because there are 100 pennies in a pound, and then we've got an extra 50p. So I've got £1 with the two 50p's and another 50p. So I've got another £1.50 there. So I had 10, add 10 to make 20, add 2 to make 22, add 1 to make 23. Then I've got another pound to make 24 and a 50p to make £24.50. And then I must just add on my extra 2p and the next extra 2p to give me £24.54. Okay, so I've done my notes, then my coins, and then I've put them together with my pound sign at the start and my pence at the end. Okay, so we have two amounts here. Now I want you to have a go pausing the video and working out how much we've got in total in the two amounts. So start with the notes first. Okay, have a go then, guys. Brilliant. What did you get? So you should have, for this one, you should have added the two 5s together to make £10, added on the pound coins, the 3 of them, to give you £13, and then we had 50p and 20p to give us 70p. Okay, super. Then on the second example, we should have had the £20 and the £10 to give us £30. Then we had a £2 and a £1 coin, which makes £3, doesn't it? So we've got £33 there in total. And then we've just got 1, 2 and 3 pennies. So we should have had £33 and 3p. Super. Okay, if you need to, just rewind the video and recap anything that you need to now. Now your activities today, you've got some more money work, so matching up the amounts that are equal, so the amounts that are the same. And then you've got some money here to add up, okay? And then some more money to add up in pounds and pence. So remember the pound sign comes first and then the pence comes afterwards. And then a little, two little challenges there for you to have a go at. Okay, as usual, the answers are just coming up afterwards so that you can have a look and see how you did with your work. Okay, so I hope you find all of that okay today, guys. I'm sure you'll be really, really brilliant at all of that maths. Okay, well done, everybody.